Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 out of 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically Forex trading, using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. For the week of the 4th of August, 2023, I'm going to start off with Biddy. Had an initial consolidation kind of with Bitcoin to the short side, and overall loss for the week at $20. Next stock is Indice is Bank U, and we had one overall trade to the upside for $60. Bull Z, two trades on Monday and Tuesday. Overall gains are $1,190 on 1,000 shares. Copper had one trade on Monday for $320. Defense, two trades Monday and Tuesday. Overall trades $530 for the week. DPST, overall trades for the week were Thursday and Friday. Friday trade being $2,010, and then the Monday trade was minus $270. Overall profit $1,740 on 1,000 shares. Next, DRV, two overall trades. Profit on Thursday and Friday, one loss on Monday. Overall profit for the week, $740. Dust did a nice run here. Overall trades for the 3 days, $1,090 on 1,000 shares. Fast, overall trade on Monday for $420 gain. Everything else below the dragon. FNGU, nice two overall trades here. Missed this overall gap because it gapped down below the previous day's low. Overall gains $2,620 on 1,000 shares. GDXD, nice overall run here, a 1, 2, 3 punch out of $740. GLL, which is short gold, nice overall trades here. 1, 2, 3 last day, minimal give back, $350 on 1,000 shares. Gush had an overall trade on Monday and one on Friday. Overall bid was below the previous day's low on Wednesday, so the Friday and Monday trades were the same thing here with Thursday. $2,990 on 1,000 shares. Hibble, one nice trade here on Monday, $380. JDST, we had a great run here between Tuesday and Thursday. Overall gain $490 on 1,000 shares. Gold, and a lot of gap up here. Initial trade here, so everything was green. It was a nice overall gain, $1,290. Everything else gap down after that. LAD, last 3 days, overall gains of $820 on 1,000 shares. Retail, a couple good gains on Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday was 0 day at $140 on Monday for retail. SJB, which is short high yield, two overall trades, one on Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday trade was the one we traded. It was minus $10 on 1,000 shares. Soxel, overall loss on Monday. This went ahead and gapped down for this during pre-market, so did not take this trade. Stay below the dragon the rest of the week. SPXL, nice overall trades here on Monday, $310.10. The rest of them gap down below the dragon. SRS, beautiful trades here. One overall loss on Monday, $170, and then two gains close up for the 1 week. $170 on Friday and $90 on there, up $90 on 1,000 shares. SVXY, overall trade on Monday. Bid was below the previous day's low, did not take this trade, even though it's up $510 for the rest of the week after this huge gap down and continued price action to the downside. So this may come back to retest the lows here for the entire market on the VIX. TBF, overall loss here, initial gain here, overall gain for the week is $70. TBT, kind of same price action for all the treasuries here as on the short side. Went ahead and got an overall gain of $410 for the week. It's trading well above the Z3 there. Didn't take that trade. TBX, same kind of trades. Overall gain $11.60 on 1,000 shares. Not really worth the equity in that in terms of that trade. TECL, which is Tech Long, two nice overall trades here on Monday and Tuesday for an overall gain of $1,030 on 1,000 shares. Tech S, nice overall gain on the last day, $420 on Friday. Beautiful gain. TNA, small cap bull. Initial two trades on Monday and Tuesday for an overall gain of $13.10 on 1,000 shares. T4, overall trade here, $150, and we had a loss here of $15.40 if you had no stop losses in there. you did have a stop loss for the same amount of the gains here for this day, you would have been out 150 for a zero trade. TQQQ, overall loss of $20. TTT, basically short the 20-year as well. And you're looking at $1,205 on 1,000 shares. Tuesday's gain. These two well above the Z3. TYO, same thing. Short the 10-year. 10-year went up significantly, but overall break even for a $1.70 gain on 1,000 shares. UCO, oil just kept going up and up. For the week, $1,100 gain, 1,000 shares. UDO, same thing on the first 2 days, then gapped down below the dragon with a $1,036 gain. UPRO, first 2 days, actually first day, this gapped down below, bid was below the previous day's low, so it was $120 gain on Monday. URTY, nice overall gains here for Monday and Tuesday, $1,570 on 1,000 shares. UVIXI, looking at high volatility, depends on the opening on Monday, but look at more volatility to the downside. This is up. Monday, good trade on WANT is consumer discretionary bull, $240 gain on Monday. WebL for Monday and Tuesday, nice overall gain of $360 on 1,000 shares. And last was silver, nice overall gain on Thursday and Friday of $110 on 1,000 shares. Looking at the overall markets, we have the Dow below the dragon with continued price action to the downside. We have a target here at the RL270 and also here on the point figure. NASDAQ, same thing, rolling over with an M formation here, continued price action to the downside. S&P 500 also rolling over, as well as the Russell, kind of hanging out around this point figure support zone. We'll see if the liquidity actually has a breakdown. Gold broke down after this initial thrust to the downside and is continuing its price action to the downside with a nice little retracement on Friday. We'll see if it goes down on Monday. 10-year, again, all of the treasuries pretty much to the downside, hit the Z3 excursion and then bounce back up. Dollar continues to go up. Again, this is not a significant move to the downside. We'll see if it comes back and retraces for further price action to the downside for overall markets and currency pairs. 2-year was up significantly. Natural gas is also up, along with oil too as well. So still continued price action to the upside, indicating more inflation on energy to the upside. I have a list of those that I'm looking at for next week on Monday, and we'll look at pre-market to see whether or not we take these trades. But I have HIVS, GDXD, BURZ, JDST, SOXS, DUST, TYO, TechS, LabD, SRS, SQQQ, BIDI, TVF, TBX, TBT, DRV, and TTT. For the yellows, in terms of watches, we have Retail Long, RETL, FNGD, SPXU, SPXS, SGB, ZSL, UVXY, Bank U, DZA, Copper, GLL, which is short gold, oil up, WANT, SRTY, cold, UDOW, FAS, BPST, and Gush. With Bitcoin still looking price action to the downside, still hovering around this consolidation zone with more price action to the downside for Bitcoin currently. Well, folks, that's all I have for the stock indice review. If you're interested in these kind of strategies going forward or courses in Forex, futures, and stock indices, click on the links below. We also do programming in both PineScript and Python. And if you're interested in auto trading, we have courses on that too as well. Click on those links below. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Monday. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, go ahead and click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.